How to activate 3D Secure on your MasterCard. The first things first, if you're using your laptop or PC, I can recommend you to go directly to this specific website right here. So we will be adding up a 3D Secure to our MasterCard using the EE Finance. From here, for you to be able to get here, just to create a new tab on your screen and then go to EE Finance Search. Now you'll be seeing a bunch of results right here, but the only link that you will have to click is this official site right here, which says welcome to EE Finance. Now EE Finance is a third-party application that you can use for you to be able to activate 3D Secure on any of your MasterCard. Now, if you don't have an account yet, just simply press on activate account right here, and you'll just have to enter or input your email address so that you will fully activate your account. Now, once you have activated your account, EE Finance will ask what specific MasterCard you would like to use and be activated with 3D Secure. You just have to add your MasterCard credentials, and there you go. You are able to use the 3D Secure or one-step verification on your MasterCard. So that's it. That's how you activate 3D Secure on your MasterCard.